Hi, I'm Brock Stevens, registered sex offender, recovering heroin addict, and nature activist. And I'm here to show you about my home. The woods. Nature. Come on. I've been living in the woods amongst nature for a little over a week now, and I've just been learning so much about just how beautiful it is. Oh, nature. I mean, everything about it is just incredible. Oh, to be part of a tree. I wish I can slip inside one. Give it my life. And no, that's not, I'm not f***ing the tree. Nature! Look at this. It's beautiful, isn't it? I mean, you can't, look at that. Look at that. Back me, okay. Look at it, you can't beat that. I mean, I just want to give it my life. Again, I don't want to f*** the water. Look, a seagull. It's so beautiful. I love this place, you know, because it's so secluded. I mean, there's no civilization for miles. What are you doing? What religion do I believe in? I don't believe in religion. I believe in all religions. Jewish, Muslim, Catholic, Black Jesus, Chinese Jesus. I just want to slip inside this tree, you know? Buddha, Fat Jesus. I'm not talking about f***ing the tree. And Bobby Shmurda. So here is where I come to meditate for 6 to 18 hours a day. And I just love it, you know? Just aligns my chakra so well, and just taking all the nature. Nature! Look. Horses. For fun, I like to look at pieces of nature and sketch what I believe their energies look like. It's black. Who are my biggest inspirations? Tom Cruise, Gandhi, Demi Lovato. I could survive for months out here, living off nothing but the gifts of the land. Nutrients. Nature is my home, and when people disrespect my home, it tends to irk me. What? I haven't bathed for months. I can smell the fish's aura. I reek of nature. It's dead.
So what'd you say next? I said, fuck that bitch.
I see a tree, and I just want to put myself inside that tree. I don't want to f*** the tree.